Do you know what these are?
No. You said I got clothes.
Yeah, so I got come in a couple different sizes here. Well, several different sizes actually. So, what do you think they do?
You screw them in. You screw.
Yeah, I do. So they're screws. They're ice screws. So anybody that's ever climbed sport climbing, you've seen bolts and stuff on that have been bolted into the side of the cliff. Well, ice, you can't bolt things in, but you can screw these in, and they come in different lengths for different thicknesses of ice. And I screw them into the ice, and then I can clip a quick draw into them, and then clip my rope into that as you're climbing up.